All right, so now let's get the answer, or let's try to get the answer of question number 3. Okay, so let's read the question together. There are 4,632 members in a cruise. 2,761 are men, 924 are women. The rest are children. How many children are there? Okay, so let's underline the question first. How many children are there? And we'll write the answer statement. And the statement will be, there are dash children. Okay. Alright. Now this dash is to be found. Now we need to understand how can we get this dash. Alright. Just a second. Now what's the next step? So we will circle the numbers. So there are 4,632 members in a cruise. 2,761 are men and 924 are women. And rest are children. How many children? Okay, so we have these 3 numbers. Let's write these numbers down. So total members. How many members are there? Total members. You can just write it like this. How many are there? 4,632. Okay. And out of these members, 276 are men and 924 are women. That means, what will we do? First of all, let's find the number of men and women together. Okay. So, men plus women. How many are they? So, 2,761 are men and 924 are women. Okay, so now add, because we have to find the total number of men and women. Okay, so 11 minus 4, is it 11? Sorry, we are adding. I'm so sorry. We will be adding. To find the total, we have to add 4 plus 1, 4 plus 1 is 5, 6 plus 2 is 8, 9 plus 7 is 16. Yes, and 1 will be carried. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, so we have 3,685 people. We know that now if we count men and women, the total number is 3,685. And the members including children in the cruise is this. Okay, the number of members is this. So what will we do? How can we find the number of children now? This is the total number. This is the number of men and women. What should we do to get the number of children? Correct. So we will subtract the number of men and women from the total number of people. When we subtract it, we'll get the number of children. Okay. So 12 minus 5 is 7. This also becomes 12. Now 12 minus 8 is 8. Yes, that's 4. Good. This becomes 5 here. Now can we subtract 6 from 5? No. This will become 3. This becomes 15. So now 15 minus 6 is subtraction. Come on, let's count from smaller number to the bigger number. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 9, 47. So this is the total number of people, of members in the cruise. This is the total number of men and women, and this is the number of children. Okay, so you can find you know that you have 947 children in the cruise, or in a cruise. All right. Okay, did you understand this, children? Very good. Now let's do the last question. Let's try solving it, but before this, let's quickly read that question. Okay, so the question says, Niyati collected 2,146 rupees for a charity fair. Jasmine collected 4,059 more than Niyati. Vidisha collected 216 less than Jasmine. How much did Vidisha collect? Okay. First of all, we will underline the question and then write the answer statement. So, 4th, and it says how much did Vidisha collect? So write Vidisha collected dash. Okay, so we have to find this dash. Okay, how much money did Vidisha collect? We have to find that. That's a question. Now let's circle the numbers. Niyati collected 2146, Jasmine collected 459 more than Niyati, and Vidisha collected 216 less than Jasmine. Okay, so let's write it down. How much did Niyati collect? Niyati. Niyati collected 2146. Okay, let me keep it like this. It will be easier for me to see the numbers. Okay, and now how much did Jasmine collect? Do we know? Is it given in the question? The amount Jasmine collected, is it given in the question, or we have to find it? See, Jasmine collected 459 more than Niyati. That means this is not given. Okay, we have to find. How will we do it? So Niyati collected 2146, and Jasmine collected 459 more than Niyati. Okay, so equals to, let's calculate them. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 carried. 5 plus 5 is 10. How did it become 5? Do you know that? Yeah, 1 was carried here. So, okay, let's say 6 plus 4 is 10. Now 1 carried. 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. And 2 is here. Okay, so 2605. How much did Jasmine collect? 2605. This is the amount Jasmine has collected. Okay, now we got the amount which Jasmine has collected. Now it says Vidisha collected this much less than Jasmine. So now let's see how much would Vidisha get. So this is Jasmine's amount, and Vidisha collected 216 less than Jasmine. Okay, so let's try doing it. Let's see. So now 15 minus 6 is 9. How do we do that? Count from 6 till 15. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's 9. This has become 9. How? Because this gave 1 to this. 6 also becomes 5. First of all, 6 gave 1 here. This becomes 10, and this 10 gave 1 here, so it becomes 9. Okay, this becomes 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 2 is copied as it is. Okay, so this is the amount which Vidisha has collected. Hence our answer statement will be Vidisha collected, you'll make a rupee sign there, and 2389. Alright children, so this is the solution for the questions which I had given you last week. Okay, a big thumbs up for all the ones who got all the answers correct. The ones who missed some of these steps can redo these questions. Okay, and we'll talk more about it tomorrow. Alright children, so thank you so much then. Bye.